So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Capgemini Recruitment Drive or the Capgemini Pooled Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And yeah, one more thing, in our previous videos we discussed about the Juho, Wipro and the Oracle Amazon Off Campus Drive. So I'll be putting the latest Off Campus Drive details as well in the description. Go through the apply links and apply for the other companies as well if you are applicable or willing to apply. So now let's discuss about the hiring process, about the eligibility criteria, application process, etc. So this is the Pooled Campus Drive 2021 batch engineering or the MCA freshers only. So this is all about the Capgemini. No need to go through all these things. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. Yeah, the last date to register is 1st September 2021. Today is 27th September. So hardly you have 5 to 6 days in your hand to apply for this off campus. And the assessment will get scheduled starting from 2nd September to the second week of September 2021. So one thing I need to mention here, I have seen that in the previous Capgemini off campus, most of the candidates were being panicked like I didn't receive the test link or test invitation although I was eligible for this off campus. So guys, these things are happening in the batches. So you'll be getting whenever you are in the certain batch. So you need to wait till your turn. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So should be graduating in 2021 only or graduated in 2021. Should have minimum of 60% and above in diploma or graduation aggregate for 7 semester and the MCA or ME, MTech, etc. No percentage criteria for SSC and HSC score. That means in 10th and 12th your percentage will not matter. Only the BE, BTech or your graduation percentage will be matter. Then qualification MCA or BE, BTech open for all the branches for both B and BTech. ME, MTech students must only from the information technology, information science and the computer science background, and you should have open signing a service level agreement. There is a bond of rupees 1 lakh or something. So later we can discuss about that. So now the registration will be starting from 23rd August. That means it is live right now. And now let's see about the assessment process or the recruitment process. So first hiring process will be the technical assessment or the pseudo code MCQ questions will be there. So one more thing, we have already discussed about the Capgemini previously asked questions in our official YouTube channel. So I'll be putting the links of our previous videos regarding this Capgemini preparation or about the previously asked questions. Go through the links and watch the videos so that you will be able to crack this written test. Then the step 2 will be multiple choice or MCQ based English communication test. Then game based aptitude test. Then 4th step will be behavioral, and the 5th test is the technical and the HR interview or the last interview process or the step. So these are the elimination rounds. That means if you are not able to pass the pseudo code round, then you cannot be prompted to the next selection process or the next round. That means if you are stuck at this point, that means you are rejected. That means if you are not moving forward, that means you are rejected simply. Then only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment step 1 to step 3 will be invited to the interview. That means these 3. Behavioral, as we know that in the behavioral round there is no certain answer to a specific question. It is all about your behavior or about your attitude, etc. So there is no negative marking for this behavioral round and this technical interview. These are the non-rejection. Basically this is the non-rejection process, and technical interview, HR interview, obviously it's a rejection round or rejection process. So if you are interested, simply you can do one thing, click on the register now button here, then it will take you to the superset.com. It's a portal that conducts the Capgemini off campus. I think previously many people have attended this Capgemini off campus. They might be knowing this application process. And yeah, salary will be getting somewhere between 3 LPA to 3.8 LPA, that means per year. Then if you are interested, then click on the apply now button here. Then it will be taking you to enter an email address. Then next they will be sending you a verification code. After that you need to provide all the basic stuffs, and you need to complete your profile complete or 100%. Then only you need to attach your updated resume, everything or every basic information you need to provide. Then click on the submit button. You need to click on the appear for drive option, because here this is a lengthy process, that's why I have skipped this part. But if you are facing any issues doing the registration, please let us know in the comment section. So I'll be putting these links or in the description of this video, these details like registration, this advertisement details, and the superset apply link in the description. Go through the link and apply for this Capgemini off campus. And in case you are facing any difficulties, please let us know. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.